Start by placing a large plate on a piece of fabric, then using your tailor's chalk or some soap, trace around the plate. Now using your scissors, carefully cut around that shape that you've just made. It should look like this. Then fold your circle into a quarter. Then iron that quarter. Then open up the fabric and use the creases as a guideline to where to cut. You should have 4 quarters by the end of it. Also cut the other side to open it up. Now mark out a 1 cm seam allowance using your soap or tailor's chalk. Do that for both quarters. It should look like this. Now using your pins, you want to pin together where you made your mark so that we can sew that together. Then sew. Once that's done, iron each quarter. Then open it up, making sure that it's the right sides that are both up. Now place that one on top of the other one. Once you've done that, add pins to the sides that I'm showing you. Make sure to leave a space that's open so that we can turn the mask inside out once it's done. It should look like this, and you can see the gap that I've just left on the side. Then sew. Once you've done that, turn the mask inside out by using that opening that we left. Using a pen, push out the corners. Using a needle and thread, close up that opening that we used to turn the mask inside out. For the purpose of this video, I'm using white thread so that you can see what I'm doing. For the elastic casing, fold over 2 cm just like this, and do that for the other side as well. Then sew together. Now feed the elastic through the casing that we've just made. Do that for both sides. Once you've done that, tie a knot to secure the elastic in place. Then turn the elastic around to hide the knot. And that's how I made the mask, guys. Thank you for watching.